Taimur Beg, also known as Talha Anjum 2.0, a young musician, rapper from Karachi, Pakistan, famous for his deep writing, raps, and the way he delivers.
सब बरामद हुआ ले गए मुझे थाने मैं एनसीपी बंदा मुझ पे इतने सारे केस मैं मुलव्विस हूँ इन सब में पर अब आता नहीं है फेस उर्दू रैप मेरा इश्क इसी पर जिंदगी बेस काटा
A lot of people can connect and relate with his music because the way he talks about stuff is truly phenomenal. Taimur Beg has been dropping bangers since very long, and he has like a very unique touch in his flow. From where Taimur Beg got famous.
हम दोनों पढ़े फैज हमें मिलते इससे फैज नहीं जिंदगी शेर जिसमें वजन काफिया है ही नहीं समंदर के किनारे बैठे हैं और पाँव गीले लेके आया पानी उन्होंने कहा आप पी लें आप जनाब बड़े प्यार से बुलाती थी वो चली गई तो लगा प्यार करने वाला नहीं है उसके एक सवाल पे मैं लाजवाब
Got around 2 million views on YouTube and Spotify combined, and after that the graph of Taimur went up. In the meantime, he also dropped various bangers with his producer Rafe Anwar, and in 2022 he dropped his first solo album with Rafe Anwar called Azal. That album had multiple great features with Savage.
अब मैं लापता और लामकान नहीं मैं गुजरू नहीं गली से तेरा मकान नहीं आसान नहीं एक उम्र हमने काट दी तुम पत्थर दिल और मेरी खुशियां सारी कांच की
Jingle Jaffer. And many more. The album did quite well for Taimur Beg. Then he dropped the second version of La Jawab with Rafe Anwar, and that song has got 16 million streams on Spotify and around 2.4 million views on YouTube. And Taimur was in the charts. It was quite new for like a younger new artist because according to that time, only youngsters dominated the whole rap industry. But seeing Taimur Beg was a bit different, and it was a stepping stone for the industry as well. After that, Taimur Beg got into a major controversy with Umar Anjum, who is a younger brother of Talha Anjum. The beef was going very even until Taimur Beg dropped Consignment with Rafe Anwar. And majority people will say that Taimur Beg won the beef. Even one of Umar Anjum's diss track was produced by Talha Anjum as well. During the same time, Taimur Beg also got into a controversy with Zohab Khan, but like it was ended, Zohab Khan is nowhere to be seen after that in the rap game, obviously. One thing I've noticed about the Pakistani hip hop community is no one backed Taimur Beg when he was growing, when he was coming up. No one supported the artist. Certain people, they've got certain assumptions as he used to enrage a lot of fights in the concerts. Even like youngsters, they throughout supported Johnny, Savage, Umar Anjum, Share, Zas. Used to like constantly do features with those artists, push those artists, but Taimur Beg did everything on his own. He was all alone with his producer Rafe Anwar. And if we talk about the OR band, when they were growing up, Taimur Beg pushed the band a lot, as he used to give them features, a lot of features, which helped the band to grow to a larger scale. And now their song Tu Hai Kahan went absolutely crazy in the whole, sitting at around 360 plus million streams on Spotify and around 100 plus million views on YouTube. Later, his producer went on to his own way, and now he's doing music with OR only. It's been quite a long since we've seen a Taimur Beg x Rafe Anwar song, and Taimur Beg has also like disappeared for quite a time. I don't know if he's experimenting things with his label, or maybe he's just experimenting his new music. One thing about Taimur was he wasn't very consistent with his work, but he used to drop music of high quality. Every song of his used to trend. If we talk about the main hits of Taimur Beg, number one is obviously La Jawab, because through that song, his career path went on. Rasta, Long Time No See. His consistency in 2025 was quite less. There weren't any major hits from Taimur Beg. I just want him to release more stuff so that we can all enjoy. And yeah, this was like a mini documentary on Taimur Beg. How did he rise? Do share your thoughts and do comment. Do let me know किसकी आप डॉक्यूमेंट्री आगे देखना चाहते हैं. And if you've got any questions, do follow my Instagram. And on that note,